In this video, we're going to show you how to use a leg lifter. For the purposes of today, we're going to show you on a bed, but you can also use this information for getting in and out of cars. So there are different parts to the leg lifter. So you have this loop at the top, it's kind of flimsy, that's where your hand is going to go. And then it gets kind of stiff through here, and at the other end, there's a stiff loop, that's where your foot is going to go. You may need to use a leg lifter after a hip or a leg surgery, and you may not need it for both legs, you may just need it for one. So whenever you're ready to use your leg lifter, you're going to put your hand in the flimsy loop that we talked about earlier. And I'm going to be moving towards my left side, so I'm going to be putting my left foot in first. So you'll hook that at the bottom of your foot.
When you lift your leg, you're going to want to make sure that your leg is straight but not completely locked out.
Lean back a little bit and lift that leg up.
As you can see, the leg is pretty straight, but it's not completely locked out.
And then you'll turn as you do that. And then you'll do the other foot. So you'll hook that foot in, lift up, and put your leg on the bed. So whenever you're ready to get out of bed, I'm going to be hooking my right foot in first because I'm going to be turning towards my right. So it's the same process as before. You'll have your hand in this loop and then have the stiff loop around your foot. So you'll lean back a little bit, bring that leg off. Take the loop off, place it on your left foot, and take that left foot off.